Hi everyone! How are you guys doing in this quarantine time? Me, I'm baking some Vietnamese bread, which is really crispy and fluffy inside. This is how I make them. First, I have 3 cups of bread flour, half a cup of rice flour, 2 teaspoons of sugar, 2 teaspoons of instant yeast. I install my dough hook to my KitchenAid stand mixer and mix all the dry ingredients together. And if you don't have one like mine, you can always do it by hand. And then I slowly added 1 1/3 cup of warm water into the batter. Now let the stand mixer do all the work until the dough is smooth and not sticking to the bowl no more. It's about 5 to 7 minutes. Okay, now I feel like my dough is ready, so I take it out and do a little bit of kneading into a round ball, and then I do a little bit of spraying of oil into my bowl, put the dough back in there and then cover it. Since I'm doing this the night before, so I'm gonna let the dough rise and rest in the refrigerator overnight. So the next morning, the dough rises double the size, so it's time to deflat it and form it into our little breads. I divided the dough into 6 equal portions. I fold the 2 edges and rolling it, trying to form into our Vietnamese baguette shapes, and let it rise for another 30 minutes. I was trying to make those slices like the Vietnamese baguette, but obviously they are not perfect ones. But it's time for them to go into the oven. We're gonna bake at 470 for 7 minutes, and then 450 for 7 minutes, and then 420 for 20 minutes. Voila, bread's out of the oven, and they look not bad at all. I'm so happy this is the first time I'm making Vietnamese baguette, and it's so crispy on the outside and very fluffy on the inside. And yeah, it's really hot, guys, so careful. But obviously I didn't do good on the shaping part. But thanks for watching, guys. See you next time.